we're always going to need like uh, the place to get the most affordable products that we love. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, I am Damsey and you're most welcome to this crystal amazing community. So in today's video I am going to be doing a very interesting video. As you can see, well, I guess you can't see because my camera is not showing what's on the table, but sitting on the table with me here is a bunch of great quality simple products that I got from Jumia for very affordable prices. And yeah, I just want to do reviews like this because I feel like with the current situation of the economy worldwide right now, especially here in Nigeria, people are looking for means to, purchase good quality products, like good quality daily girly essentials without breaking the bank. And when it comes to things like that, that is something that I am an expert in. Okay, this is something that I live for. Online shopping and purchasing products online for very affordable prices is like my second favorite thing to do. Okay, so today I just want to show you guys some of the things that I got from Jumia. I've been purchasing from Jumia for over a year now, but this is like my second purchase this year. So I decided, you know what, let me film, this unboxing. Yeah, I think this is my first time doing an unboxing video, and I've always loved watching people's unboxing videos for whatever reason. So I just feel like, let me just do one of it, and I feel it might come in handy and help someone, especially someone who is just newly moving into their first apartment. Without any further ado, we're just going to get straight into the video. So the first item I have with me is the this is actually a perfume that I have reviewed before on my channel. This is the Soft Perfume by Al Rehab, and this is a perfume that I've been using for like over a year now since I discovered it. I believe this is like my third buy because of the size of the perfume. So this is a perfume that I personally use in layering a lot of my perfume. So it looks like this. Yeah, the container looks like this. Very sleek, it's very feminine. And like if you've watched my perfume review, especially the one where I reviewed this particular perfume, you need to watch it. You need to see that video because this perfume it has become like a staple pieces for me, like an essential, because I use it for most of my perfume layering because it just has that perfect soft feminine touch to most of my perfumes. So yeah, that's the first item, and I'm going to leave the link to where I got it from in the description box below, so look out for that. Okay, so the second product that I have here is, I believe this is a Korean brand product. This is actually a skincare product. This is the Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum with activated niacinamide, helps correct dark spots and brighten skin with plant-derived squalene to lock in moisture for glowing skin all day. So I have been, like, oh wow, this is okay. So I've been looking for a product, a spot treatment product, honestly, like a very good skin tone brightening product to get, because I recently went on an adventure and like I saw a photo of me that was taken that day, and I realized that I've become a bit darker or something. So I just decided to get a brightening product that can just help refreshing my skin and maintain my natural skin color. So this is definitely original. I mean, it came with a seal. Like, how more original can this get? So a minute, let me get a razor blade. All right, so we have a razor here, and I'm just going to, I'm curious to see how the product looks like. I mean, this is what unboxing is all about. You just have to see what the main product looks like. Oh wow. Oh wow. The quality and everything is just cool. Now tell me why I thought this was literally a red pen, and it looks like it's written in a red pen. So I was always like curious, what kind of design is this? But I've seen a lot of reviews on this particular product online, and it is excellent. And I've seen that it's really, it's really doing the numbers. It's a great product. What I do not know is if it is actually a Korean. I think it's a Korean product. I'm not familiar with the brand. The brand I'm seeing here is the Axis Y. I'm personally not familiar with that brand. I need to know where this is made from. Oh, yeah, it's actually a Korean product. So this is made in Korea, and you know me, I love Korean products. So I'm just really all about Korean skincare products these days. So yeah, this is made in Korea. And so I'll be trying this out, and let me know in the comment section if you would like to see a review from me about this product. Okay. Let me go on to the next product, which is also a product that I got from the same store that I got this one from. Look at that. It also came with a seal. Let's take a look. So this is a Glow Deep Serum with rice and alpha arbutin. So this is also like a brightening face serum. So this is meant to just like add to more of like skin repair and skin brightening for the face. Okay. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to come, but it doesn't look full, and it came in a glass container, which definitely signifies quality for me. So I really like the design. It's very simple. This is from the Beauty of Joseon or Joseon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a very popular skincare product in the market currently. So yeah, I guess I'll be trying this out. And if you'd also like a review on this product, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to give a review after some weeks of using it. So that's it for the skincare products. And now we are going into whatever this is. Okay, so this is a manicure set. I just want you guys to take a good look at the packaging. I love how this box came. I kind of love like the packaging, how sleek it is. I've been really into doing my nails at home. Personally, I'm not into all those like fixing of, those plastic nail thing. So I'm more like the gel nail polish kind of person, so I prefer just painting it on my actual nails. And I've also been looking out for like good quality nail polish that don't get chapped easily, the ones that can also last on my nails for at least a week, at least a week or 2 weeks. So I've been doing a lot of research, and I know that the secret is actually in the quality of nail polish and the prepping products, and also like the finishing products. So the quality of the nail polish or the nail design depends on those things. So I decided to get this nail polish set. I'm actually trying to figure out how to open it. If I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to come in like some colors, and maybe like I think about 12 colors or thereabouts. And what is called okay, you know what, let me just read it out to you guys. Okay, so from the app, this is a varnish nail art kit with a top coat and a base coat, and a total of 12 bottles. So top coat, base coat, that means it comes with 10 extra different colors. So this is what the box looks like, as you guys can see. And now I open it and ooh, this is what the inside looks like. I love the arrangement. It's really cool. It's really slick. Okay, so they all come in. I don't think I can see like the colors. Okay, so this is a base coat. This is a gel polish. This one is it's shown that it is a base coat. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so there's no way I can tell the color from the outside. I guess I'll have to like open to know. I think that is a flaw in their design. I think they should have made it in such a way that I can actually know which color I am going for. So they're all in just like identical design. The gel polish, they're all in like the same identical design. The bottle size is 8 ml, so it's 8 ml bottle size, but it comes with a top coat, a base coat, and different colors. And I've seen and I saw like great reviews on the product online, so I haven't tried them out yet, but I am going to try them out and I hope that they do not disappoint. The last but not the least is this big ass carton right here. So this is a shoe rack. I'm just going to show you guys. I noticed that like the little space where I used to keep all my shoes, where I used to store all my shoes, is just disorganized because there's so many shoes there now and there is not enough space to like spread them out. And I noticed that I keep repeating the same set of shoes, and that's because I cannot remember how many shoes or like all the shoes and the colors that I have. So I decided to get this this shoe rack so that I can finally like arrange all my shoes in a more organized form, have them displayed so that I can easily make my decisions or like the choices of shoes that I want to wear, you know, with every outfit. So this is what the rack looks like. This is how it comes. This is how it's arranged. So I'm just going to do a little review on the quality. So this is meant to be like the joint thing. This is the thing that's going to like join the steel pipes together to form the rack. So this what did I call them again? The joining, whatever it's called, they are plastics. This is definitely not giving quality. So if I definitely want this thing to be firm enough, I'm going to have to like, you know, fix it very firmly to the pipe so that, you know, the tighter and the firmer the joining is, I believe the stronger it's going to be. Although it just tells you like this is not like a typical super strong shoe rack. So but the sense I'm going to do is that in order to avoid this thing from bending or, you know, collapsing or whatever, I'm going to focus on putting like I'm going to arrange the heaviest shoes on the bottom rack, then the lighter shoes will stay at the top. So I guess that trick should work just fine. Yeah, so you know, it has like a bunch of sizes here and this is the longest. So I'm going to figure out how to fix it and I'm going to show you guys the finished result. So yeah guys, that is it for all the products that I purchased from Jumia. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed watching unboxing videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. There is so much content that is yet to come, so much content on beauty, skincare, femininity and mindset all together. So please give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and so leave a comment down below what you think about purchasing products from Jumia. Like, how has your experience been? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.